Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now. Make sure your Infinix is unlocked and has at least 20% battery. Plug in if you prefer. Go to Settings, then tap Network and Internet or Connections. Names vary by model. Once in Network Settings, select SIM cards or mobile networks for the SIM you want to change. You do this because Volte is controlled per SIM. Accessing the correct SIM list prevents toggling the wrong line. Keep the screen awake while you proceed to the next steps. Once in mobile networks, scroll to find Enhanced 4G LTE mode, VoLTE, or HD voice settings. Wording differs. You may see a switch. Tap it to turn VoLTE off. If a confirmation pop-up appears, read it then confirm, because disabling VoLTE can change call routing to 2G/3G. Make sure to repeat for the other SIM if you use dual SIM. After toggling, wait a few seconds for the network to re-register. This ensures calls will follow the new setting. Now verify the change. Restart your phone to force the network to re-register with VoLTE disabled. Make a test call and check mobile data. This confirms voice uses the fallback network. If calls drop or data stops, try toggling VoLTE back on, restart again, and then contact your carrier if problems persist, because some networks require VoLTE for reliable LTE data. As a final step, you can reset network settings, but note this removes saved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.